สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Today let's make I-Tim-Tod or fried ice cream. These smell so good, especially when drizzled with honey. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We have cooking oil, ice cream flavor of choice, bread slices, and aluminum foil. Mold your slice of bread with your finger so that it curves inwards like this, and then just scoop up some ice cream and place it in the middle. When you think you have sufficient ice cream in the middle, you are now going to take another slice of bread, place it on top, and line the edges like this. And press the two together. Place it in your aluminum foil and close it up like this. Keep this in your freezer for a minimum of 6 hours or up to 24 hours. So I put these in the freezer for overnight, and now we're gonna fry them. Lightly toasting these on high heat. Turn them to the side too, so they are brown all the way around. And now we do the second batch. Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.